Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this brand new Audi S5 3 litre TDI V6 Tiptronic quattro in Mythos Black metallic paint. Now this vehicle is a brand new car, so it'll come with a standard manufacturer's 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. So to start off with, let's take a 360 degree tour around this stunning S5. So starting at the front, we have the super bright matrix LED headlights, which illuminate any obstacles in your way. We'd also have the LED daytime running lights as well there. And then looking down at these stunning alloy wheels, these are a 19-inch 5 twin-spoke design grey partly polished alloy wheel, which really complement this black paintwork very nicely. We'd also have at the rear the privacy glass, which means that any occupants in the back are protected from the sun, and anything you have in the back is protected from prying eyes. Now looking in the back, we've got 2 spacious rear seats, both of which have ISOFIX points, perfect for those child seats, and they do also fold 60/40. We've got a lovely centre armrest there as well there, aiding comfort, and we do also have a third climate control area there, along with a 12-volt socket there, which is perfect for charging those mobile devices. And with the push of a button, the front seat moves back into position, and then all you have to do is push the backrest back, and it is exactly where it was before you went in the back. Now standing to the rear of the vehicle, we've got the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking really stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible no matter what time of day. We do also have as well there the stunning quad exhaust tips. Now with 2 presses of the key fob, the boot pops open there, and we can have a look inside, and there's plenty of space in there for anything such as golf clubs or for those suitcases for that weekend away. And once the rear seats are folded, there's plenty more space in there for larger items. Now walking down to the side of the vehicle, let's have a look inside. And there's plenty of high quality materials on display inside this stunning coupe. So we've got the stunning aluminium brushed trim there, which really looks smart against this black interior. And we do also have the black fine Napa leather seats there with the quilted stitching, which as well as looking really nice, are really comfortable, really supportive. And they do also have a full electric adjustment with electric lumbar support. And they do also have a massage function, which is great for those longer journeys. Just makes it that little bit more comfortable. So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around this stunning brand new Audi S5 coupe. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this S5 and have a look at the technology that's on offer. So looking at the window controls, we do have fully electrically adjustable mirrors. They are also heated and power folding, which is great for those tighter parking spaces. And we have this lovely 3-spoke flat bottom leather wrap multifunction steering wheel, which feels really nice to hold and means all the important buttons are right at your fingertips. And on the left, we've got the controls for Audi's virtual cockpit screen there. And sat behind that, we've got the downshift paddle for the S-tronic gearbox, which is really quick and really simple to use. And on the right hand side, we've got the plus up shifter paddle there. And in front of that, we also have the controls for the volume, the Bluetooth, as well as the phone. Now sat behind that, we have the virtual cockpit, which is a digital dash screen, so you can flick through options such as your radio, settings, your phone, and we've also got our map screen there. And you can also change the size of those dials to suit your preferences. This vehicle also comes equipped with the cruise control and speed limiter, which as well as meaning you won't get a speeding ticket, was also great for those longer drives and just makes it that extra bit more comfortable. Now we do have a central infotainment screen in this vehicle, which is a touch screen. It's very simple to use, and we've got key features on there such as our digital audio broadcasting radio, which means you're never short of anything to listen to. We've also got our media there via Bluetooth or USB, which means you can easily connect your phone. We've also got our telephone there for those important business calls on the way home. We've got our navigation, which means you should never get lost in your S5. And you can also save key destination in there, such as your home address or your workplace. We've also got our phone apps there for things such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means that you can connect those more modern devices for things such as Spotify. And we've also got our Siri on there, which means that you don't have to take your eyes off the road to use certain functions. Now looking in the car setting, we've got Audi's Drive Select. So if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you're feeling a more spirited drive, you can put the vehicle in dynamic, and the throttle and steering response will be adjusted accordingly to make it that extra little bit special. And we'd also have in this vehicle, as mentioned earlier, the massaging seats, which are really great on those longer drives. And you can choose from 3 different settings. You can also change the intensity, and that just makes it that extra bit more luxurious in this vehicle. Now we do also have on this vehicle the crystal clear reversing camera with the guidelines, which, as well as providing you with directional lines as to where you're going to end up, means you can see any obstacles at the rear of the vehicle. We do also have front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle. Now here are the controls for the front dual zone climate control. So this car does have a 3-zone climate control, which means that both 2 front passengers can be different temperatures, and those in the back can once again be a different temperature to them. And this is perfect if you've got people in the front who want to be slightly warmer than those in the back. And we do also have the heated front seats there, which is perfect for those chilly winter mornings. Looking below that there, we've got 2 very spacious cup holders that are illuminated, and above that we do also have a 12-volt socket and a USB socket, keeping those devices well charged. Got a little space under there, which is perfect for parking change, and means that won't rattle or get lost. And then here we have the controller for the Tiptronic gearbox. So you've got a manual mode. You can either control that by pushing the stick over to the left there, or you can control it with the paddles on the gear selector as shown earlier. And we also have auto hold, which is great for those traffic queues on the way to and from work. Now we do have a sliding centre armrest there, which can be fixed at different positions, making it perfectly comfortable for a perfect position in the driving seat. Got plenty of storage space under there, as well as a USB-C socket, which is great for all those more modern devices. And the storage area under there is perfect for keeping your wallet or keys hidden from view. So that completes our look today at this brand new Audi S5 3-litre TDI V6 Tiptronic Quattro Coupe in Mythos Black. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.